Hello traders, this is Ala Peters. On this Tuesday after Labor Day holiday, we are dealing with very shady markets. Take a look at this trade and take a look why it's struggling so much. As we keep discussing with students, it's a firmly counter-trend trade. This is your channel for the last hour. No matter what chart you trade, this is a dance. This is a pain. Nothing else is possible. And why in the world is it such a shady day? It is quite simple. We are mid-trend on your day trading chart. If I convert this chart to 5, identical dance remains. Shady, shady day. Massive, massive chop. We are in the middle. And if I convert this chart to 15, you start seeing much more clearly. Stunning and flawless reminder. Ultimate place to be, ultimate bottom, institutional trend inception. Ultimate place to be, ultimate top. Agree? Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, do not touch this market. So when we came to the market this morning and I said to you, market will be full of baits in this area, not trades. What did you see? If I take chart back to 5, this is a stunning reminder. Never buy near Fibonacci resistance, instant pullback. And this is where we've been stuck for the last 35 minutes. This is your range. And this is a problem. Only this is possible. So if you are protecting your profits and you are a brilliant trader on this very shady day trading day, you are not in pain. You understand we are stuck in counter trend move. Only this is possible. So if price will continue doing this, never short near support. Never buy near resistance. This is your channel now. This would be a gift. This is institutional bottom. But if the price is not crushing through to institutional bottom, where market staged flawless bullish rally on August 28th, treat this with extreme caution. We are mid-trend at day trading support. Only this is possible, nothing else. And that's how knowledgeable trader separates spectacular trading days from shady ones. We're stuck mid-trend traders. If buyers picking up this theme, we're not surprised. We're sitting at support, not the place to short. This is the key now. Again, trade is not on 1. Trade always convert it to 1 for the trading room, so you can see to the tick the power of the method. Knowledgeable trader separates quality levels, quality days from junky ones. This is shady day, not institutional morning. Just little day trading levels, with a whole a lot of pain, with a whole a lot of chop. Only this is possible, nothing else. So while we're waiting on S&P, I would like to show you an email I just received last night. email from Mark where he states, "This is the best training in trading I've ever had, and I had been at this on and off for about 25 years, most of it not very successful. These last 3 months taught me patience and the need to get the best entry I can. It was a test not to jump in and trade real money for a while. I did as you said and practice, practice, practice some more. Your method has allowed me to start to trade an extremely unforgiving market, the mini futures." What else is extremely important? When Mark does complete full self-assessment, I'm still not 100% where I would like to be. I will likely extend my time a bit, which is always an option. And that's the key. So if you've been trying for the last 5 weeks, 5 months, 5 years, or 25 years, you're part of community. That's not unusual. That's very, very typical. All depends on your effort. I work with traders from complete beginner to hedge fund manager. Traders who've been tried 5 minutes versus traders who've been trying 5 years. Boom. Did we know or did we know that only this is possible? You only need one. Shock or not. And that's what knowledgeable quality trader does. Trades with quality, not quantity. You only need one. Stunning, flawless counter-trend trade. After ultimate pain, ultimate torture took off. We knew extremely well. Fibonacci support, not the place to short. Correct? Only option was to buy this market. Right now this trade reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Shock or not? Will the price collapse completely? Knowledgeable trader does not need another trade. What knowledgeable trader does? Add the lot size. Never ever number of trades. So if you manage to pull 4 or 5 or 10 points out of this junky market, you are a brilliant trader. On one lot, 5 points, $200. On one lot, 10 points, do the math. On 10 lots, do the math. 5,000 plus. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality and understanding of the price. Sooner you start, more profitable trader you will be. Right now price is showing you stunning reminder why I named this proprietary Fibonacci level reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. And that's the key. And that's what knowledgeable trader knows. Clear on that? Nothing else is needed ever. Only this. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Thousands of emails stating time and time again, this is the best trading I've ever had in 25 years. Pretty common. So when Alpha Fibonacci Profit Runner semi-automated trading system comes out next, I will open only 100 licenses. Waiting list already is formed. Prior time, when semi-automated software came out, it sold out within 2 hours. What you are witnessing in front of you, what is traded by institutions. What you're witnessing in front of you is 12 years of work with price action and Fibonacci. Sooner you start, sooner profitable trader you will be. And you will trade stress and pain-free. So when short alerts come out on the scanner, we don't need that. We will walk away. We will take a break. We're not trigger-happy cowboys. We're not surprised where it's coming from. It's Fibonacci reversal zone, not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. So pretty please review the information on the website, traders. You have 4 options available for you. With and without software. All classes are live, all classes recorded. 100 plus videos in member area. Students in 47 countries, currently in US, in Florida, from beginner to hedge fund manager, in Middle East, in Qatar, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, in London, in Malaysia, traders trading different accounts, from 5K account to $5 billion account. Traders with different experience. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? Do you want to trade Forex? Do you want to trade futures? Absolutely up to you. Method applies to anything that has price. So pretty please review the information on the website and decide what's appropriate for you. Whatever specials are available, almost done and over. Again and again. When the next software comes out, it's almost already sold out before it's even been announced on website. And that's ultimate accuracy, ultimate precision. There is no surprise where price reverses from. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. This is all you need ever. Nothing else is needed, only this. All you have to do is decide, do you want to day trade or position trade the markets? Choice is yours. Look at this stunning reminder. This is the market for the last 30 minutes. Flawless. Not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. And that's the power of the method, no matter what you trade. So this email I just received when I was on a break from Jerry. Jerry is in the course right now. And that means the world. Thank you, Jerry. Course is excellent. Refer to trading friend who just signed up, Steve. Jerry spent over 100,000 on trading courses and I have learned a lot more in the last 2 weeks than all the other courses combined. My methods actually work. And as I announced to you, before I ever introduced software to general public, I introduced software to students and graduates first. And that means the world. So, market in the middle, crawling up. Knowledgeable trader knows that. So if you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. Click on Simply Contact Us page. Call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I simply love what I do. If you want to be surrounded by quality traders, by those who make serious effort, you came to the right place. Thank you so much.